Aloha everyone, if you get tired and sore feet, then the Comfier Shiatsu foot massage is the gift you've probably been looking for. So let's dive into it. This Comfier Shiatsu foot massage machine is a very big blessing for my family. My wife already loves it. She absolutely can't wait to use this at the end of the day, especially when you work a lot with kids, garden, and you're just on your feet a lot. This helps to alleviate it with a few different benefits. Now, this Comfier Shiatsu foot massage machine is very easy to use. Simply plug it in, put your feet in, turn it on, and pick your massage level of choice. The massager features 3 different types of massages for your feet. One is kneading, another is rolling, and third would be deep compression. These will definitely help you to relieve foot pain, help promote blood circulation, and of course, promote relaxation. It also has a built-in heat function, which is pretty dang fantastic. Really, what this heat function does is help to soothe your feet and to just relieve the aches and pains within your feet as well. From our experience, that's exactly what it's done for us. It's definitely taken a lot of the pressure and the stress that builds up inside of our feet and releases that really well. The Comfier Shiatsu foot massage machine is actually a pretty great way to end your day, to relieve stress, but honestly, you can use this throughout the day as well. So if you're somebody that works from home or you have an office where you can have something like this set up, you can easily store this under your desk as it's pretty compact and convenient to hide away. At the end of the day, what you really want to know is, do you think it's worth it? Honestly, for its price point and what it actually provides you, it is a great product. It is a great foot massage machine for its price, especially with the 3 different levels, the 3 different modes, and of course, the heated padding available as well. It's pretty easy to clean and remove the socks. There are socks built into this that you can unzip, and you can actually take those socks and throw them in the wash and then put it right back on. So really easy to clean and maintain as well. But that's it. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple and straightforward. This is the Comfier Shiatsu foot massage machine, and I definitely recommend it. I hope this video helps you in your decision making on whether or not you should get yourself a Comfier Shiatsu foot massage machine. My name's Kili'i with Ohana Reviews. Thanks for watching as always. Mahalo and aloha.